Hey guys, it's Culpa86 and this guy assumes he can color change, so we're gonna watch him color change in the light. Yeah, I just had to get this on. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a close-up. Come on guys, look. It doesn't... Coding? What the... Guys, Ginger. Look. Literally, look. He's so cool. Oh my god, everybody's like, look, everybody's like freaking out. And everybody's freaking out. Everybody's freaking out. Freak out. I'm sorry, I'm especially freaking out. Everybody's turning to seals and trying to jump. It doesn't work, guys. He's using... Oh my god! Guys, literally, like, look. God, literally, there's an army of seals! Yeah, and guys, I got a black long and a red long, and yeah, these are my 4 longs by color right now. Cool, right? Ooh, hacks, honestly. Oh, totally. Dude, guys, I think he's using coding. You can't do stuff like this unless you're using coding. Yeah, you can't do stuff like this unless you're using cool coding to end up, or it's just a glitch in Animal Jam. What for oh, he left. Oh my god, he just triggered me. He just rejected me. What? Guys, he just rejected me. He just rejected me. Yeah, I can tell this isn't a spare. I can tell this is simply a hack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weird hack. Report this person if you'd like for weird coding, and I envy their orange long. Well, I don't care. I have a red long. Boom! Ba-da-da-ba! Ba-da-da-ba! Ba-da-ba-ba! Ba-da-ba-da-ba! Ba-da-ba-da-ba! Yeah, I'm that cool. Woo! Bye!